In this video, you are about to see the most revolutionary advance in fin technology since fins were first developed. Apollo's BioFin uses patented technology that will change forever the way you dive. Your fin kick will become comfortable, relaxed, and effortless in all underwater conditions. You will no longer have to exert large amounts of energy or strain your leg muscles to move through the water. You will enjoy the luxury of completely relaxed leg muscles, as the smallest roll of the ankle is all it is needed to achieve excellent propulsion. The Apollo BioFin will give you increased bottom time by providing efficient speed and propulsion with minimal effort from a small, relaxed flutter kick. Your energy output decreases, your breathing rate is slow, and your air consumption is down. With the Apollo BioFin, you will no longer have to strain your large hip and thigh muscles for propulsion, and the short kick range is within the body's slipstream, which greatly reduces your drag, allowing you to be more streamlined and hydrodynamic through the water. The BioFin will offer you improved efficiency and endurance in strong currents, with high propulsion and minimal effort. With a relaxed small ankle kick, you will quickly find that you can achieve the same speeds as any old-style paddle fin while being able to sustain these speeds for longer periods of time and greater distances, a benefit from reduced exertion. This revolutionary technology has set new standards for fin performance in independent tests conducted by Scuba Lab, using the same testing methods used in fin evaluations for Rodale's Scuba Diving magazine. The BioFin is designed to create lift in exactly the same way as an aircraft wing or propeller blade. Because air and water are both considered fluids, aircraft technology can be used to design fins. In contrast to old-style paddle fins, the BioFin has a divided blade, carefully calculated side rails, and aeronautically designed battens for controlling the blade shape. As the blades on the BioFin twist back and forth during a small flutter kick, they slice through the water at an angle like the blades on a propeller. The result is lift and thrust, which propels the diver forward, just as a propeller does. In nature, many fast-moving fish have a divided fin where each half of the fin twists to a reduced angle on each stroke. Their speed is effortlessly achieved and maintained with the minimal movement of their fins that remain within the slipstream of their bodies. In the test you are watching, divers swim two ways over a measured underwater course in open ocean conditions. The two-way course is set up parallel to shore and parallel to current, so that when a current exists, the divers swim both with and against the current so that the effects of current are canceled out. Hundreds of test dives conducted by men and women of various ages, physical fitness, and levels of experience have shown that on average, this revolutionary new fin technology can reduce breathing rates by approximately 25 to 40% compared to old-style paddle fins. These divers are using handheld underwater speedometers to swim at specific speeds and feel the effort needed to reach and sustain those speeds. The propulsion is excellent, continuous, and smooth. Scuba Lab evaluators have tested this technology on commercial dives and on technical dives, finding that this technology performs like a dream, even at depths of over 200 feet and in heavy current. The small relaxed kick of the diver using the BioFin is demonstrated by the reduced range of kick, which keeps the legs within the height of the body's slipstream to minimize drag and eliminate body roll. This side-by-side comparison shows the woman on the right using the BioFin is able to swim with excellent speed with minimal effort. The man on the right using paddle fins is working much harder and consuming more air while experiencing body roll. The woman kicking the BioFin is using a small relaxed kick to reach high speeds, while the man wearing paddle fins is seen exerting a large amount of force while struggling to keep up. Because the blades of the BioFin are oriented at a unique angle of displacement on both strokes, the blades slice through the water to create thrust like angled propeller blades, while creating minimal turbulence, resistance, and drag. This diver is practically dragging on the bottom, and still there is no silt up. In contrast, paddle fin blades are like flat boards that push water down and produce high levels of turbulence, which causes silt up. This can greatly decrease visibility in many dive situations. The reduced silt up enables cave divers and wreck divers to use small ankle kicks or toe kicks to avoid silt up. This uses less muscle movement and conserves more air than the larger sweeping leg movements of the frog kick currently used by cave and wreck divers who use paddle fins. To enjoy the greatest benefits from the biofin, you should use a small and relaxed flutter kick combined with a gentle roll of the ankle. Even a minimal toe kick produces excellent leisure speeds for complete relaxation and enjoyment. To enjoy an efficient sculling kick with the biofin, stand vertically in the water and sweep your legs side to side while rolling the ankle so that the bottom of the fin is angled to about 45 degrees on both the outstroke and on the instroke. The dolphin kick is also fun and exceptionally efficient with the biofin. The biofin allows this diver to streak by at a speed of 2.89 miles per hour. In this race, the biofin wearer on the right accelerates rapidly past the diver wearing paddle fins, even in greatly increasing their bottom time. This side view of the fin shows that just a relaxed roll of the ankle while keeping the legs extended is all that is needed for easy propulsion. Swimming is very stable and propulsion is constant, smooth, and effortless. The reduced drag and turbulence of the biofin offers you increased propulsion and ease during surface swims. Although divers know to keep their fins below the surface, fins can still sometimes break the surface, especially in rough water conditions. Because the high-tech blades of the Apollo biofin pivot open on each stroke to a unique angle, if they happen to break through the surface of the water during a surface swim, they do not catch on the surface and create drag. The swirling bubbles seen above the paddle fin blade are pulled down and allow us to visualize the swirling turbulence and drag created by paddle fin blades. Most of the water around the paddle fin blade is extremely turbulent and is pulled down rather than backward, resulting in increased fatigue and reduced propulsion. Even if the paddle fin blades do not break the surface, the turbulence and drag still exists around the paddle fin blade, and the water is still pulled down to create wasted kick energy, reduced propulsion, and increased fatigue. Increased ease and efficiency on the surface greatly reduces exertion for snorkelers and freedivers. The reduced exertion of the small and relaxed flutter kick reduces oxygen usage and CO2 retention for improved freediving. The biofin's ability to reduce turbulence around the blade minimizes vibrations in the water, while its efficiency with a small relaxed kick minimizes visual disturbance. This allows you to approach marine life more easily and naturally. Whether you wish to increase your photo opportunities or you just want to have fun, this greatly enhances your dive experience. In addition, the relaxation of leg muscles and the feeling of continuous propulsion created with a small flutter kick dramatically adds to the feeling of weightlessness and underwater flight. The biofin's patented blade design uses propeller fin technology. The opening in the middle of the blade allows the blade to form two lengthwise wings, which twist around each side rail to form leading wing edges and trailing wing edges along the center opening. Muscle fatigue is eliminated for the biofin wearer by the reduction in turbulence. Turbulence created by paddle fins causes drag, which slows the fins, increases muscle fatigue and exertion, whereas water flows smoothly around the angled blades of the Apollo biofin, making kicking smooth and effortless. Let's take a look again at the benefits. ability to use a small relaxed flutter kick for minimum effort, maintain constant speed for longer duration, reduced air consumption for increased bottom time, improved performance against strong currents, increased comfort and enjoyment, increased performance at surface and at depth, increased maximum speed, no silt up for cave and wreck divers, effortless diving, eliminated body roll, and eliminated muscle fatigue. All of these add up to increased diving safety. Switch to the Apollo Biofin and improve your diving experience.